Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to be participating in a challenge issued by C.M. Coleman Home, and the challenge was $0 decorating. I'm in my upstairs hallway by my linen cabinets, one set of them anyway, and like my downstairs one, my husband and I redid these a couple years ago using cabinets from IKEA, kitchen cabinets. And we left this area here in the middle of the cabinets, primarily because there was this existing outlet here. We didn't want to move that or cover it up. And then we put this counter in. This was actually granite that was left over from our kitchen when they made a cutout for our kitchen sink. So we had this extra piece that my husband, actually he ground down the edges on. So I have never been able to figure out what I wanted to put in here. And I thought I would use this as my zero decorating challenge. The other thing we did recently was paint in our guest bathroom, and I wanted to change up the decor in there. And I had these prints that I had hanging in there, but they don't match the colors that I have in there now. And then I also had these candle holders, sconces that hang on the wall, along with some gold candles. Since I have another picture on the wall over there that has those same colors in it, I thought that this would be the perfect spot to repurpose these prints for this $0 challenge. So I have my tools with me that I'm going to need: a hammer, my picture hanging kit. I have a couple of old nails. These are actually original squared off nails that I got from a store in an old town near here. I was asking if they had any for sale, and they actually took some that were loose out of their floor and gave them to me, and they're what I hang the candle sconces with. And then I have a level so that I can make sure everything will be even when I put it up. So I probably will not film me in the process of doing this because my hallway is a bit tight, but I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done. So here's the finished product. It's a little hard to get a good shot of it because the hallway's kind of narrow, but you can see I have one print here and the other below it. And then to the sides I have the candle holders, and I put them up high so that I could leave this plug clear for when we need to vacuum and do that sort of thing. And then I think eventually I want to get some greenery maybe to put down in the corners so it's not so bare, but that it's something that's easy to move. And if it gets knocked around, if there's a plug plugged in, it won't be breakable. So I'm really pleased with how that turned out. I think it fits very well in the space. And I'm trying to get a good angle on it for you, but it's kind of hard. So I'd like to thank C.M. Coleman Home for sponsoring this collab. And if you would like to check out the other videos in the playlist, I'll put the links below. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you'll consider giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button if you'd like to hear about new projects that I'm working on.